Good morning, Year 6, and welcome to Thursday's reading lesson. Now, for today, we're going to do something a little bit different. We are going to continue focusing on non-fiction. We are going to continue thinking about the two texts that we've read already this week. So they are up on the website if you need them, or you can see them here. But I'm going to give you a short writing task instead. So instead of answering reading questions today, what I want you to do is write your own non-fiction text, okay? So let's recap some of the features that we picked out from these two texts earlier in the week, and then I will tell you what I would like you to write about. So remember, in a non-fiction text, unlike fiction, the paragraphs can be broken up and split up, and there will often be diagrams to help you understand. Our two non-fiction texts have started with a little fact box that gives some key information, like the type of animal, the diet of the animal, etc., in kind of a bullet point fashion, in like a fact file system. So you could include that if you wanted to. The text explains what your animal looks like, and it attaches a picture to help you to understand. And then where it has talked about where they are found, it has also given a map to indicate that. So you might want to have a kind of fact file bit. You might want to have different paragraphs split across your page. You might want to put a picture in. You could include like extra facts or fun facts dotted around. We've seen that in non-fiction before. So let me introduce you to what I want you to write. So, as we've learnt about rattlesnakes and scorpions, I wanted to stay on the animal theme, but I want you to write about an animal that you know about. Oh, I made a typo there, look. You know about. That's a bit terrible, isn't it? So, an animal that you know about. It could be that you've got a pet, cat or dog, and you know lots about them, and so you can write an information text all about them. You might have horses or go riding and know lots about horses. I know some of you have got hamsters. You might have any more unusual pets, or it might just be a pet, an animal that's not a pet, but you really like and so you know lots about. Or you might want to go and do some research and spend a little bit of time on this, and you might want to research a new animal or something that you're interested in but you don't have all the facts about. So, like I say, a little bit of a different reading activity for you today. So this is just a tiny introduction video. It's not a long lesson, so that you can go off and spend your time putting together your non-fiction text. Okay, remember, if you want to look at the examples, they're on the website, or you can rewind this video to go back and look at them on the screen. So I look forward to seeing what you come up with. Remember, beautiful handwriting, that's what we're focusing on at Wheatfield at the moment, and present it just like a non-fiction text. So see how creative you can be with it, and remember that the ultimate aim is to teach your reader about your animal. So I would love it if you would send them in so that I could learn something about lots and lots of different animals. Good luck with it, and I look forward to seeing how you get on. Bye-bye.